Wish Olivia a happy birthday. Spanky, say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Olivia.
You ever get that egg?
Spanky found an egg already. Sorry, my camera wasn't working. She's probably going to drop that into the river. But she loves her jelly beans. Here she goes. I think we're going to hide an Easter egg with some jelly beans in it here for our fans that live in the Newland area of North Carolina. We'll show you where we're going to hide it so you can come find it. It'll be a Easter egg from Spanky. Come on, Spanky, don't you want more? Get the egg, Spanky. Spanky, there it goes. She's a little scared of the waterfall, I think. Get your eggs, baby. This is where we're hiding the egg, the pink egg. Spanky put it there. And somebody's got to come find it. Right down here, underneath the bridge, next to the Dollar General and Roses. Right down there, the purple one we're going to take back. The Spanky hid the pink one. And it has jelly beans in it. And if you find it, let us know in the comments. It's a gift from Spanky. Right, Spanky? Tell him Happy Easter. Okay, I put a rock on top of it so that not just anybody can find it. Has to be a Spanky fan. Because there's some people that showed up for a picnic and I'm afraid they might get it. So we put it down there. Be careful trying to get it. Have your parents help. And there is also that green one over there floating around that Spanky dropped. You might get that one too. Okay, we're going to say bye now. It's hard to film, just me and her. Thanks for watching. We love ya. Tell everybody about Spanky.